What's going on, ladies and gents? Caleb McAllister here. I wanted to show you guys the official unboxing for this new cookware set from the folks at Kitchen Academy. I already opened the box. I actually pulled the first pan out of it before I remembered to turn my camera on, so I apologize. But we have this small pot. You can get an idea. This is kind of like the hammered texture on the outside. With a really cool, it's a dark brown, but it has a really unique feel to it. It's like really comfortable to grip. It doesn't slip. It's hard to describe. I've never felt a handle that feels quite like it before. And then the non-stick surface on the inside. And then we have this one here. With the lid with an ergonomic grip to it. Next lid. Let's get to our next layer here. Small lid, which I believe that goes to this one. Yes, looks like it does. And next, the pot. About a medium-sized pot here. I think this might be the lid that goes to that one, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, there we go. Kind of a cool, the ergonomic design on the pot lid handle. I'm a big fan of that. That's kind of cool. Let's see. Ladle. Very nice. And spatula. Yeah, it's like Christmas morning. Cool spatula. Let's see here. What else? Larger pot. 2 handles. And we have the larger frying pan here. And I believe, if I'm not mistaken, yep, that is it. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pans. Yep, combined with, 5 pans and 2 utensils. Really cool look to these guys. The handles combined with the hammered black looks really, really sharp. I can't wait to start using these. Stay tuned for future videos. Check out the cookware set in the link below. Thank you guys for being here. I appreciate it. I appreciate you, and I will see you guys next time. Have a great day, everybody.